Hello, everyone. I'm your English teacher this year, Mrs. McDowell, and I want to welcome you to English 9. I'm super excited to get to know each and every one of you, even though we'll be starting the year virtually. I did invite you to our Google Classroom, so I'm going to show you now how I want you to join our first meeting. So we have all hours, I believe, on Tuesday, September 8th, hours 1 through 7. And so you will simply go into your classroom and then pick whichever class you're in, and then you'll see right here a meeting link. So if you know that you have English, let's just say at 9 a.m. on Tuesday mornings, whatever, you simply go into your Google Classroom and then click on that link. It takes you automatically into this place where you will click join now and you will see all of us there. So I look forward to seeing you all this week. Thanks. Bye.